Now let's go to the smaller, the chunks, the processes flow. Let's call it like that. I know why I opening the new designer, but even better. So what we've got is this particular structure. When an item is created or modified, then try, do some logic, and if there's an error, catch it and action it. Now, what's happening here, the most important part is the trigger outputs. Here we are putting an filter that signals SharePoint only trigger this flow if this condition is met, but which is basically the status send questionnaire is set to active. That means that if I go to the SharePoint list here and manually I set these to active, boom, the flow will run. Okay, the flow will run, even though because I'm touching from the backend, let's say, but the flow will run, and we would be able to see the execution in here when it happens. Now, when what's happening when we execute the flow, we are going to perform whatever is the business logic, but most importantly, we are going to log. Let me show you in edit mode. Log a successful execution, meaning that here we will say the status value now is whatever it is the next one, and the status same questionnaire value is success, meaning that this in the whole machine state machine pattern, this state is successful, so we can move forward. That's what we are signaling with this change. And if we had an error, we would put the global status column as error, but our particular status column for this particular state in the state machine is set to error as well. And with this flow last execution URL column, we are storing the execution of the flow, and the code is very simple here. Basically, we use the workflow formula, and you can copy it from here, or you just Google it out because it's well known this way to get the flow execution at a given time.